Hi students, and welcome to week 5 in general psychology. This week we will be covering chapter 5, which is on states of consciousness. In this chapter, you will learn about the stages of sleep, dreaming, sleep disorders, and other altered states of unconsciousness. So I think that you'll really find this chapter interesting. So let's take a look here at the module. This week in your modules, of course, you have your narrated PowerPoint, and then you have some different assignments in Connect to hopefully enhance your learning for this chapter. So when I mentioned other causes of altered states of unconsciousness, that's usually drug interactions. So you have a drug interactivity. You have a Connect assignment on the stages of sleep. You have another one on daylight savings time. Hint, hint, this messes up your circadian rhythm, even though it's just an hour change. And then lastly, a Connect assignment on the meaning of dreams. So I know that oftentimes that's piques students' curiosity, dream interpretation does. And then you have your chapter 5 post-test for this week. So again, several different topics in your Connect assignments and then your chapter 5 post-test. I really hope you enjoy learning all there is to learn about the states of unconsciousness. Have a wonderful week, and as always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Have a good week, everybody.